The world is rapidly becoming digital. Our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology, from the moment we wake up and check our smartphones to the time we go to bed, often with a device still in hand. This digital transformation is not just changing how we live, but also how we interact, work, and even how crimes are committed and solved. Every click, every message, every transaction leaves behind a digital footprint. These footprints are like breadcrumbs leading back to the actions and intentions of individuals. Whether it's a simple text message, an email, or a social media post, each digital interaction contributes to a vast and intricate web of data. This data, in the context of a crime, becomes digital evidence, a silent witness that can make or break a case. Digital evidence can be as compelling as physical evidence, if not more so, because it can provide a detailed and often irrefutable account of events. From emails and text messages to social media posts and GPS locations, digital evidence is transforming the landscape of criminal justice. It offers a new dimension of insight, allowing investigators to piece together timelines, establish connections, and uncover motives that might otherwise remain hidden. Its importance cannot be overstated. In many cases, digital evidence has been the key to solving complex crimes, bringing perpetrators to justice, and exonerating the innocent. It has become an indispensable tool in the modern legal arsenal. It can corroborate witness testimony, establish timelines, and even reveal the intent behind criminal actions. For instance, a series of text messages can provide context to a crime, showing premeditation or a lack of intent, which can significantly influence the outcome of a trial. However, the very nature of digital evidence presents unique challenges. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming, and the technical expertise required to analyze it is substantial. Moreover, the digital realm is constantly evolving, with new technologies and methods of communication emerging all the time. Unlike physical evidence, digital data can be easily altered, deleted, or fabricated. This makes it vulnerable to tampering and manipulation, which can undermine its reliability. The process of recovering deleted data is complex and requires specialized skills and tools. This makes the process of authentication, proving that the evidence is what it purports to be, absolutely critical. Authentication involves verifying the integrity and origin of the data, ensuring that it has not been altered or tampered with in any way. Without proper authentication, digital evidence risks being dismissed as unreliable or inadmissible in court. This can have serious implications for the pursuit of justice, as crucial evidence may be excluded from consideration. This essay delves into the complex world of digital evidence in legal proceedings. It explores the intricacies of collecting, preserving, and presenting digital evidence in a court of law. It examines the different types of digital evidence, the legal frameworks governing its use, and the methods employed to authenticate it. From metadata and digital signatures to blockchain technology, the tools and techniques for handling digital evidence are diverse and continually evolving. We will also explore strategies for challenging digital evidence and discuss real-world examples to highlight its impact on justice. Understanding the potential weaknesses and vulnerabilities of digital evidence is crucial for both prosecution and defense. Finally, we will emphasize the importance of understanding digital evidence for legal professionals, investigators, and anyone involved in the pursuit of truth in the digital age. As technology continues to advance, staying informed and adept at handling digital evidence will be essential for ensuring justice is served. Digital evidence encompasses any information stored or transmitted in digital form that can be used to prove or disprove a fact in a legal case. This type of evidence has become increasingly significant in modern legal proceedings as our lives become more intertwined with technology. This includes a vast array of data types, each with its own unique characteristics and evidentiary value. From emails and text messages to social media posts and GPS data, the digital footprint we leave behind can be incredibly telling. Emails, for example, can establish communication between individuals, providing a written record of interactions that can be crucial in cases involving fraud, harassment, or conspiracy. The content, timestamps, and even metadata of emails can offer insights into the timing and nature of communications. Social media posts, on the other hand, can reveal relationships, intent, and even location data. A single post can provide context to a person's state of mind, their connections, and their whereabouts at a given time. This can be particularly useful in cases involving defamation, stalking, or even alibis. Text messages, often used in drug trafficking and harassment cases, provide a real-time record of conversations. The immediacy and informality of texting can sometimes reveal more candid and unguarded communications, which can be pivotal in understanding the dynamics of a case. GPS data from smartphones or fitness trackers can place a suspect at the scene of a crime or contradict an alibi. This type of data can be incredibly precise, showing not just where someone was, but also their movements over time, which can be critical in cases involving kidnapping, theft, or even murder. CCTV footage captured by surveillance cameras offers visual documentation of events as they unfolded. This can provide an unbiased account of incidents, capturing details that might be missed by eyewitnesses. In cases of assault, robbery, or vandalism, CCTV footage can be the linchpin of the prosecution's case. Even seemingly innocuous data like internet browsing history or online purchase records can become crucial pieces of evidence in certain cases. Browsing history can reveal a suspect's interests, research, and intentions, while purchase records can establish a timeline and financial motives. For instance, browsing history could reveal a suspect's interest in illegal activities, or online purchases could establish a financial motive. This type of evidence can be particularly compelling in cases involving fraud, premeditated crimes, or financial disputes. Understanding the different types of digital evidence and their potential relevance to a case is essential for both prosecution and defense teams. The ability to effectively gather, analyze, and present digital evidence can make or break a case, highlighting the importance of digital forensics in the modern legal landscape. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the methods and tools used to uncover the digital breadcrumbs that can lead to justice. The ephemeral nature of digital evidence makes it susceptible to manipulation. In today's digital age, where information is predominantly stored and shared electronically, the integrity of digital evidence is paramount. The transient and easily alterable nature of digital data poses significant challenges in legal contexts. A file's timestamp can be altered, making it appear as though it was created or modified at a different time. This can be done with relative ease, using various software tools available online. Such alterations can mislead investigations and judicial proceedings. An email can be spoofed, making it seem as though it was sent from a legitimate source when it was not. Spoofed emails can be used to deceive recipients, leading to misinformation and potential legal ramifications. Or an entire database can be tampered with, leaving little to no trace. Hackers can infiltrate systems, alter records, and cover their tracks, making it difficult to detect unauthorized changes. This can compromise the integrity of critical data. This inherent vulnerability necessitates a robust system of authentication to ensure that digital evidence presented in court is genuine, reliable, and trustworthy. Authentication processes help verify the origin and integrity of digital data, providing assurance that it has not been tampered with. Authentication in the context of digital evidence means proving that the evidence is what it claims to be and that it has not been altered or tampered with since its creation. This involves using various techniques and technologies to verify the authenticity of the data. This involves establishing the integrity and authenticity of the evidence, tracing its origins, and demonstrating that it has been handled securely throughout its life cycle. Forensic analysts play a crucial role in this process, using specialized tools and methodologies to trace the digital footprint of evidence. Without proper authentication, digital evidence is susceptible to challenges of admissibility in court. Legal professionals must be prepared to defend the integrity of digital evidence against claims of tampering or fabrication. The opposing party can raise doubts about its reliability, arguing that it has been fabricated, manipulated, or contaminated. Such challenges can undermine the credibility of the evidence and affect the outcome of legal proceedings. This underscores the importance of following established procedures for collecting, preserving, and authenticating digital evidence to ensure its integrity and admissibility in legal proceedings. Adhering to these procedures helps maintain a clear chain of custody, ensuring that the evidence remains untampered and reliable from the point of collection to its presentation in court. By doing so, we can uphold the principles of justice and ensure that digital evidence serves its rightful purpose in the legal system. Recognizing the growing importance of digital evidence, legal systems worldwide have developed specific rules and regulations governing its use in court. These frameworks provide guidelines for the admissibility, authenticity, and handling of digital evidence, ensuring fairness and due process. In the United States, the federal rules of evidence govern the admissibility of digital evidence in federal courts. Rule 901 in particular outlines the requirements for authenticating evidence, including digital data. This rule requires sufficient proof to support a finding that the evidence is what the proponent claims it to be. Similarly, other jurisdictions have enacted legislation or amended existing laws to address the unique challenges posed by digital evidence. These laws often address issues such as data privacy, cross-border data requests, and the admissibility of electronic records. Understanding the relevant legal framework is crucial for ensuring that digital evidence is collected, handled, and presented in a manner that meets legal requirements and withstands scrutiny in court.